life to live over. I know just what I'd like to be. A pampered pet of a rich brunette, sitting on my poverty. Someone to love me, someone to care. Rubbing double little finger through my hair, and it's like dog life. What a life, that's good enough for me. That's good enough for me. If I had a bone to be picking chicken ought to stay. Curled up there in an easy chair, man, that won't be hard to take. I'd always be faithful, that's what I'd be. Never bite the hand that feed me, no siree. Just lead a dog's life, what a life. That's good enough for me. That's good enough for me. Find me a feel a poodle, I lose my noodle over her. I chase her around all over town just to rumble up her fur. A nuzzle, a muzzle, a hole in her paw, the greatest Casey puppy loving you ever saw. It's called a dog's life, what a life. That's good enough for me. That's good enough for me. Ha ha ha.